How's it going?
Going alright.
What can I do for you?
Here's your Connie.
Hey, Connie, your appointment's here, bud.
Send her back.
Hi. Hi. I was wanting to get a tattoo that, like, really represents me. Think you can do something like that?
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking, like, a tiger, maybe driving, like, a muscle car, but over fire.
Okay.
Because I'm fearless.
Gotcha.
But in the smoke, I want to hide all of the names of my and birthdays of my childhood pets.
Uh-huh.
I was also thinking we could do it in all purple because I'm really deep.
Oh, yeah.
You getting all this?
Yep, purple, deep kitty cat.
Also, I want the tiger wearing sunglasses because I'm going places, baby, and my future is bright.
Okay.
Think you got that?
Oh, yeah. This is gonna be good. I got a way better idea. Boy, is it cool.
Cool like me?
Even cooler. Any point in time now, I'm done. You ready?
Oh, I was born ready.
Bet you were. Wanna see it?
No, don't here. Trust you.
It's gonna be really cool.
Oh, I'm really cool.
Alright, have a seat. You excited?
Oh yeah. I just don't know if it'll ever be as cool as I am.
Oh, I think it's pretty cool.
Better be.
I know you're deep and all, but what other kind of stuff do you like?
I mean, don't get me wrong, I still enjoy like the simple things in life, like kitty cats, strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream?
Yeah.
That's good, right?
I like old beers, Cadillacs and shit.
Alright, you ready?
Faux show.
Alright, let's check it out.
This isn't what I wanted at all. There's no tiger, there's no sports car, there's definitely no sunglasses or fire. Somehow I think it's perfect.
Good. Good, you just received the mini blizzard treatment.
Awesome.
Ta-da!